The library catalog is where you find books and peer-reviewed articles all in one place. Professors prefer these sources over web or AI searches because they're reliable, real, and reviewed by experts for accuracy. For this example, imagine you're writing a paper on Frankenstein. Your research question is how weather in the story affects the reader's experience. Frankenstein and weather are keywords. Don't use a sentence. Search the library catalog using Frankenstein and weather. Click the search button. Don't want to sort through 123 results? Scroll down to filter by source type. Ebooks are especially useful because you can search inside the book and jump straight to the relevant pages. No need to read the entire book. Clicking on View eBook takes you directly to that book. Click on the link for the table of contents. At the top, there's a magnifying glass to search within the ebook. Put in Frankenstein and a list of all the pages with that word appears. This makes it easy to connect historical events, like volcanic eruptions, to how Shelley shaped the novel. Need a citation in APA or MLA format? Click on the quotation mark symbol at the top. The APA citation is incorrect here. The MLA is correct. Double-check every citation before turning in your paper. The library has videos on APA and MLA, as well as many other tools to make research and writing easier. Check out our YouTube channel. You can work with a librarian by using our chat, phone, and appointment scheduler. The faculty librarians assist in student success at St. Leo University.